Welcome to Tutorial 1, How to Simulate a Print with TwinSpeed. In this tutorial, we will introduce the TwinSpeed software and demonstrate the use of the new project wizard to set up a print project, as well as how to submit your project to the server for simulation. So, let's get started. Before you begin, first download, install, and run the TwinSpeed software. Download the sample file for this tutorial with the file name 20mm_cube.stl and set up the server connection with your account details. Refer to the TwinSpeed user manual on how to set up this connection, or contact Speed3D customer support if you require further assistance. The following diagram shows the typical arrangement of a part to be printed. The part positioned on a substrate, the surface to be printed onto, and attached to the substrate holder. The conventional print direction is perpendicular to the substrate surface, which defines the orientation of the print plane and resulting layers as parallel to the substrate surface. To begin setting up a new project in TwinSpeed, select the New Project button located at the top left corner of the toolbar, or go to File and click New Project. The first step in the New Project wizard is to choose the type of project, a printing project or a coating project. In this example, we will select the printing project as our project type and click the Next button. The next step is to choose the substrate holder you want to use for your project. In this example, we will select the standard square holder, which is 80 by 80 mm. Once selected, you will see that the details automatically fill in below. Click the Next button to continue. The next step is to choose the substrate. This is the surface that the part will be printed onto. In this example, we will use an 80 by 80 mm substrate that is 3 mm thick. Select this substrate and you will see that the details automatically fill in below. Click the Next button to continue. The next step is to choose the part. Click the Browse button and navigate to location to the sample part that was downloaded previously, called 20mm_cube.stl. Select this file and then click Open. The details will automatically fill below. Click the Next button to continue. The final step in setting up a print project is to select the printing options. The default printing options shown here will be suitable for most parts. In this example, we will leave the default printing options as shown with Z smoothing and adhesion layer selected, and the print speed set as fine. Click the Finish button to complete the new project wizard. You will now see that your print project has been set up in TwinSpeed with the part located on the surface of the substrate, which is attached to the substrate holder. The substrate holder is located on the end of the robot. The next step is to send the project to the TwinSpeed server for toolpath generation and simulation. Click the Send to Server button located at the top right corner of the toolbar and enter a name for the print job. In this example, we will name our print job as 20mm-cube. Select the OK button to send the job to the server. The path generation and simulation process will now begin on the server. In the bottom right, you will be able to see the progression status of your print job's toolpath on the TwinSpeed server. When the process is complete, the resulting simulation and toolpath will be downloaded and displayed on TwinSpeed. Once the process is complete, the simulation will be displayed on the TwinSpeed screen, where you can check the quality of the predicted print. If your simulation is not satisfactory, you may need to adjust your part geometry, orientation, or print settings in TwinSpeed. If you are satisfied with the expected print quality, you can export your finished toolpath by pressing the Export Print button located at the top right corner of the toolbar. Export this print onto a USB so that you can insert this print path onto a Speed3D printer. We hope this tutorial has helped you better understand how to use TwinSpeed.